Here I have TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly I have to open Google app. Then tap on the camera icon here, open photo gallery, allow, and open your camera. Now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as camera spots it, it shows me the link which is being encoded. You just tap on the search button and the link opens. So yeah, that's how I can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.